Hello, friends. Would you like to be a certified project management professional? This video is made for you. In this video, we break down the road to PMP certification in 3 easy steps. We first check the eligibility, secondly, complete the application, and lastly, schedule your exam. Let us go more into detail. Before applying for the PMP exam, you must meet specific eligibility criteria set by the Project Management Institute, PMI. These are based on your education, project management experience, and training. Here's what you need. Option 1. If you have a 4-year degree, bachelor's or equivalent, then you need a minimum of 3 years non-interrupted project management leadership role. You also need 35 hours of formal project management education. Option 2. If you have a secondary education, high school diploma or associate's degree, then you need at least 60 months, 5 years of project management leadership experience. You also need 35 hours of formal project management education or a CAPM certification. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can complete the application form on the PMI website. Create an account to log in. Document your experience based on the projects you have led, where you have worked, your role and responsibilities, duration of projects, institutions attended, and qualifying hours. Here is a template you can use. Your application will be reviewed between 5 to 10 days, sometimes even sooner. Once your application is approved, you can pay the examination fee. PMI members $405, non-members $575. PMI can randomly select any application for an audit. Should you be picked for an audit, do not panic. 3 things will be required for submission. 1. Copy of degree. 2. Verification of experience signed by supervisor. 3. Proof of 35 hours of project management education. Once all evidence is sent to PMI, you can pay for your exam. Now that you are done with your application and exam fee payment, you are ready to schedule your exam. You have 2 options to write your exam. 1. You can schedule and write at Pearson VUE. This option is recommended by PMI. 2. You can write the exam online at the comfort of your own space. This is the online proctored exam option. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of taking the online proposed exam and also taking the exam at Pearson VUE. You can make a decision based on information we have for you. Also do your own research to make an informed decision. Now let's talk about what happens on exam day, whether you take it at a testing center or online. Option 1. At a Pearson VUE test center arrival, arrive at least 30 minutes early. ID requirements: bring 2 valid IDs, 1 with a photo. Restricted items: no bags, watches, phones, food, or drinks allowed inside. Lockers are provided for personal belongings. Online proctored exam. Check-in process: log in 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Room scan: the proctor will ask you to show your entire room, desk, and surroundings via webcam. Strict rules: no one else can be in the room. No talking, leaving, or using additional screens. The PMP exam consists of 180 questions, covering a mix of multiple choice, multiple response, matching, hotspot, and drag and drop questions. You'll have 230 minutes, 3 hours and 50 minutes to complete the exam. Breaks. There are 2 optional 10-minute breaks after 60 questions and 120 questions. Important: you cannot go back to previous questions after a break. Once you complete the exam, your results appear immediately on the screen. Pass or fail. If you pass, PMI will send an official certification confirmation within a few days. If you fail, you can retake the exam up to 3 times within 1 year. And that's everything you need to know about the PMP exam requirements and exam day rules. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PMP exam tips. See you in the next video. Good luck with your exam.